Ever thought your simple daily walk could be a gateway to profound peace and clarity? Welcome to Case Calm Kit, where today we unveil the art of mindful walking. This isn't just a walk in the park, it's a step-by-step journey into mindfulness that transforms each step into a moment of connection with yourself and the world around you. Mindful walking redefines your regular stroll, turning it into a powerful practice of meditation in motion. It helps reduce stress, sharpens your focus, and elevates your overall well-being. As we explore this gentle yet effective technique, you will learn how to turn paths into sanctuaries, where each step brings you closer to inner peace. Whether you are navigating the tranquil solitude of a forest or the vibrant energy of a city street, mindful walking is about finding the rhythm of your breath and the beat of your heart in harmony with your strides. Get ready to walk your way to wellness as we guide you through this transformative practice. Let's start this journey together, one mindful step at a time. Mindful walking is more than just walking. It's walking with intentional awareness. Unlike regular walking, where you might be planning your day or replaying events, mindful walking focuses your attention on the walking itself, on each step, each breath, and each sensation. At its core, mindful walking is a form of meditation in motion. Instead of sitting quietly with closed eyes, you engage actively with your movements, sensing your breath with your strides and fully immersing yourself in the present moment. This practice transforms your walk into a purposeful exercise in mindfulness. The benefits of mindful walking are both mental and physical. Mentally, it helps to reduce stress by pulling you away from overactive thoughts and giving your mind a restful focus. It enhances your focus and attention, making you more aware of the here and now, which in turn can lead to greater cognitive clarity and emotional balance. Physically, mindful walking can improve your overall well-being. It increases your heart rate and circulation in a gentle way, supports joint health, and can improve your breathing efficiency. Regularly engaging in mindful walking can also lead to better sleep patterns and increased energy levels, overall contributing to healthier lifestyle. Whether you are looking to unwind after a busy day or seeking a way to enhance your mental clarity, mindful walking offers a simple yet profound way to nurture both your mind and body. It's an accessible practice, requiring only your willingness to slow down and connect with each step you take. Preparing for mindful walking is simple yet crucial for an enriching experience. Let's explore how you can optimize your preparation to fully embrace this practice. First, consider what to wear. Comfort is key in mindful walking. Choose clothing that's breathable and suitable for the weather. Soft, loose-fitting fabrics allow you to move freely and focus on the experience rather than discomfort. Footwear is equally important. Wear shoes that provide good support and cushioning, especially if you will be walking on uneven surfaces. This ensures that your body is well supported for the duration of your walk. Next, selecting the right environment can significantly enhance your mindful walking practice. While you can practice mindful walking almost anywhere, some environments offer more conducive conditions for mindfulness. Look for places that are relatively quiet and have less foot traffic. Natural settings like parks or forest trails are ideal because they offer a serene atmosphere and the opportunity to connect with nature. If you are in an urban area, try to find paved paths in parks or along riverbanks where traffic noise is minimal. The presence of water can be particularly soothing. However, if quieter spots are hard to come by, don't worry. Mindful walking can also be about finding peace in the midst of the hustle and bustle. It's about turning inward and finding a quietude that exists beyond your environment. Whatever your location, the key is to find a place that feels safe and comfortable for you. This makes it easier to let go of external distractions and focus on the act of walking itself. With the right preparation, each step you take can become a conscious act of moving meditation. Mindful walking transforms ordinary walks into sessions of deep mindfulness and connection. Let's walk through the steps to fully embrace this peaceful practice. Start with your posture. Stand straight with your shoulders relaxed. Let your arms hang naturally by your sides or clasp your hand in front or behind you, whichever feels more comfortable. Take a moment to feel the weight of your body pressing down through your feet into the ground. This grounding sensation is your starting point. Begin walking slowly. With each step, place your foot gently on the ground. Heel first, then rolling onto the ball of your foot. As you walk, synchronize your breathing with your steps. Try inhaling for 3 or 4 steps, then exhaling for 3 or 4 steps. This rhythmic breathing helps center your mind and enhances the meditative aspect of your walk. As you continue to walk and breathe rhythmically, engage your senses one by one. Start with sight. Notice the colors and shapes of the environment around you. Watch how the light filters through the leaves or reflects off buildings. Then focus on sounds. Listen to the birds, the breeze, or even the distant hum of traffic. Each sound brings you closer to the present. Next, bring your attention to smells. Perhaps the fresh earth after rain, the saltiness of the sea, or the urban scent of coffee and asphalt. Each breath can bring a new scent. Finally, focus on touch. Feel the air on your skin, the texture of your clothing, the solid earth under your feet. Mindful walking is about fully experiencing the moment with each sense, each breath, and each step. It's a simple yet profound way to reduce stress, enhance awareness, and connect deeply with your surroundings. As you practice, you will find that this technique not only calms the mind, but also enriches your everyday experiences. Integrating mindfulness into your walking routine transforms it into a powerful meditative practice. Here is how you can maintain presence and reconnect with your surroundings, turning each walk into a session of active meditation. To stay present during your walk, focus on maintaining the rhythm of your breathing and steps. This synchronization is your anchor. Whenever you notice your mind drifting to past worries or future plans, gently guide your attention back to the rhythm of your walk. The repetitive pattern of walking and breathing is soothing and helps refocus your mind. Sometimes, the mind wanders more persistently. If you find it challenging to stay present, use a simple mantra or affirmation with each step. Phrases like "stepping into peace" or "I am here" can be repeated silently to reinforce your focus and ground your thoughts in the act of walking. Walking also offers a unique opportunity to connect with your environment, which itself can be a form of meditation. As you walk, allow yourself to feel a part of the landscape, whether it's bustling city sidewalks or a quiet forest trail. Observe the life around you, people, animals, plants, and see yourself as a moving part of this larger scene. Engage fully with the elements around you. Feel the wind or sun on your face, the texture of the ground beneath your shoes. Each element you notice brings you back to the present moment and deepens your connection to the world. By incorporating these mindfulness practices into your walking routine, you transform a simple activity into a profound spiritual and physical exercise. Each mindful walk not only enhances your mental clarity and emotional well-being, but also strengthens your bond with the world around you. Embrace this practice regularly and watch as your path unfolds not just before you, but within you. Mindful walking, like any mindfulness practice, comes with its set of challenges, especially when dealing with distractions and varying environments. Let's explore these common obstacles and how to effectively navigate them. One of the biggest challenges is external distractions. In urban settings, traffic noise and visual stimuli can make it difficult to focus. In these cases, turn your attention to the aspects of the environment that you can control. Use headphones with calming music or nature sounds to create your own auditory space. Focus on the sensation in your body or the movement of your feet to anchor your mind and block out the chaos around you. In crowded areas like busy parks or streets, the presence of other people can be distracting. Instead of seeing this as disruption, try to incorporate the presence of others into your mindfulness practice. Observe the variety of movements and interactions around you without attaching to them. Let them pass through your awareness like clouds moving across the sky. In more isolated or rural areas, the challenge may not be overstimulation, but understimulation, where the quietness leads to internal distractions like wandering thoughts. Here, engage more deeply with your environment. Notice the details, shapes of leaves, patterns in the sky, the texture of the path beneath your feet. These observations can keep your mind engaged and present. Regardless of where you are, the key to overcoming distractions is to accept them without judgment and gently redirect your attention to the present. Remember, mindfulness is not about achieving a state of no thoughts, but about returning to the present moment whenever you drift away. As we wrap up our journey into the world of mindful walking, let's quickly recap the transformative techniques we've explored today. We've learned how to prepare for and practice mindful walking, integrating breath synchronization, engaging our senses, and embracing the environment, whether urban, rural, or crowded. These practices not only enhance our mental and physical well-being, but also deepen our connection with the world around us. Regular practice of mindful walking can significantly reduce stress, improve focus, and contribute to your overall happiness. Like any skill, mindfulness grows stronger with practice. So I encourage you to incorporate these techniques into your daily routine and experience the profound benefits firsthand. Now, I would love to hear from you. Share your experiences with mindful walking in the comments below. Do you have a favorite walking path? How has mindful walking impacted your life? Your stories inspire us all and helps build a community of mindful walkers. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more ways to incorporate mindfulness into your life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kay's Calm Kit. Also, check out our Mindfulness Toolist playlist for more techniques and insights. You will find the link in the description below and the pop-up at the top right of this video. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, every step you take with awareness brings you closer to inner peace. Keep walking, keep breathing, and continue to explore the path of mindfulness with us. Until next time, stay calm, stay mindful, and transform your walks into windows of tranquility. Much love.